This is a BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8 dash camera battery pack. I'm going to use the 16 wire gauge charging cable supplied with the product, and I have the DC power supply set to 14.2 volts at a maximum of 10.20 amps, and the dash camera power load is the Viofo A139 Pro 3 channel. My previous test was with this running at 14.6 volts, which is their separate charger voltage amount, but the other dash cam battery packs in this series use a 14.2 rating, so I'm going to charge it with 14.2 this time. And let's begin the test. Charge light has just come on and the beep occurred showing it's going into charging mode. The A139 Pro is booting.
Recording. 3 channels started.
And let's see how long it takes.